Hi everyone and welcome along to another Paintless Dent Removal video. My name's Sadler from Dent-Remover and today's repair is on a Citroen C1 front wing. It's not as bad as the Vauxhall Mocha that I did the other week. That was quite nasty and I appreciate all your comments on that repair. This one's slightly smaller but it is still tough. What we're going to do is have a good look at it. I'll explain all the different areas that need repairing and then we'll do a time-lapse repair of this job. I had to do a time-lapse repair because the customer was waiting for this repair to be done. So let's go take a look. Okay, I'm going to break the dent down into sections and explain it to you. First of all, we'll look at this area. On the inspection board, the lines have tightened right up and this area is called a crown. It's the strongest part of the dent and it holds a lot of pressure from the impact. This is the impact centre and is the deepest part of the dent and it's totally deformed the body line. And here it is, the natural wing shape, and it is badly kinked. And this area that I'm highlighting is a secondary crease. The pressure wave from the impact has deformed the panel higher up and it's also part of the crown. And finally we come to the lower part of the wing. This is naturally concave from factory and if this area is damaged it's very tricky to repair. Give the panel a quick polish up. So that is the dent explained to you, and just before we get into the time lapse, if you do like my videos, please subscribe, it really helps my channel out, and if you do like them that much and you want to see any more, just tick the bell and you'll get notifications on all the future videos that I bring out. So let's go take a look at the time lapse. The repair is now complete and here's a recap on what it did look like. This is the raw repair. No filler, no paintwork, we've not even flattered it down and polished it. And this just shows you the capabilities of Paintless Dent Removal. And now let's take a look with the inspection board. If you have damage like this and you'd like it repairing and you're in the East Yorkshire area, contact Dent-Remover, www.dent-remover.co.uk. So that's it for this time and thank you very much for watching. If you do like my videos, again subscribe and tick the bell and you'll get notified as soon as I bring out another video. I am bringing out another one in a couple of weeks, Mini Countryman rear quarter panel repair. But for now, thank you very much. Cheers.